Hi, good morning. So I'm here on this Toyota Venza 2012 model to calibrate the steering angle sensor, which the old one, this one, was not good. It wasn't working, so it was showing the traction light on the dashboard. So as you can see from here, the angle is at 00. Yeah, so when I turn this now, it should change. As you can see, showing you that it's working. Why this one, when I put it doesn't show anything. This is the old one, it doesn't read. So let's still check it out. Now this is the old one. I have installed it back, and you can see the track light has come back. So when I try to adjust it, watch, nothing is moving. I'm turning it, so as you can see, I'm turning it, nothing is showing, and that's why that track light came on. So now I'm going to remove it. Okay, it's out, so I'm installing the new one. Okay, this is the new one. So let's reset it back. So after all the engine, start it back. As you can see, the light is no more there. Yeah, so this is it now. I'm turning it, so I'm going to make it stay at 0. Yeah, so if you have your car and your car is showing that traction light, it's neither the fault is from your steering angle sensor. So thank you for watching this video with me. See you next time.